one chai, please.
Hi guys. Hi guys. Now you are at the Khadapur Chowk, so I want to know from you guys, why you are here?
We are going to do chai party.
Oh, right.
Let's have a cup of tea in this hotter season.
Okay, let's do it. Come
Yeah,
on,
let's
come
do
on.
it.
Hi guys, SLG is going to.
Let's go up. Yeah.
Hi guys. How are you?
I'm fine and you?
Guys, you are here. What happened?
You can see we are doing party.
Wow. Okay, so tell me who is the owner of this party?
Galib.
Wow, Galib. So now, guys, you are taking tea. Why? You should take a coffee, na?
No.
Why?
I like tea.
Okay,
So
so
more precious.
what?
He is more precious.
Okay, now what is?
want a coffee, but he didn't give you.
Oh,
Because-
you want coffee,
Yeah.
but he didn't give you.
Because here you cannot get coffee. You can ask the uncle.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
Sorry for
Amit,
that.
you tell me. You are very happy to take the tea. So, could you tell me that why you are happy?
Because of my friend.
Oh, because of your friend.
First time he gave party.
Oh, right.
Yeah. And the last time.
And
Not
this is
last
also
time.
last time.
Not last time. And how do you say I like coffee? Because of you are also Indian.
Oh, yeah.
But- But Indian also like coffee. If you go on just
More than tea.
no, if you go on like
More than
Assam
tea.
or South area, then people will more attracted towards coffee.
But
Don't
not
do
that.
discussion.
This cup also make delicious.
Yeah, it is natural actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
Don't say about it. You can say about tea maker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want Rahul? You want biscuit? If you want biscuit, take it from me.
No, I don't have a.
I want one with biscuit.
No.
Yeah. Why not? Babe?
No.
You
Take it, yeah.
No.
Why are you saying we are friends,
Oh.
yeah?
You can take it.
Nobody will take it. I will take it. Give it.
Give it
Yeah,
also
yeah.
me.
You can,
सबको दो यार.
Afsar.
सबको दो.
Afsar.
Yeah.
The taste was so awesome, no?
Let me taste it.
Yeah.
Yeah, first let me taste. So tell me,
The taste
What
of
it is? how
Oh,
it is?
yeah.
Taste is
I
very
cannot tell you how it is
Very
tasty.
tasty.
Yeah.
This is the best combination of
Chai.
biscuit
Tea and chai and
tea.
Tea and biscuit, right? Yeah, it's very. So, Bittu, you tell me. Now I have seen that you have eaten 3 biscuits.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
one biscuit this one.
Yeah.
So,
It's one biscuit.
it is your first.
Yeah, it's not one
Oh,
biscuit.
right. Tell me one thing. Why you choose this shop? Because in at Kadupur there is a lot of tea store, but why you have selected Hemant tea store?
Because I don't know about it. One of my best friend, nobody tells me about because he is living in Khatulpur and he knows very well about the tea staller. So he is
This topic is Khatopur Chowk. It is a very famous.
yeah.
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 So this shop is very famous at Kadupur Chowk, right?
The shop owner's behavior is very good.
Yeah, shop
And I
owners
taste-
is very good,
And I
right?
tasted the chai. It was so good, yeah.
Wow.
I cannot tell you. It was so good.
Right. Actually, you are right.
And
Now-
the combination of biscuit and
Yeah.
tea, it is so awesome, yeah.
Okay.
Biscuit.
No.
Yeah, Bittu have eaten 3 biscuit. Wow.
One biscuit I ate.
Wow, how can I say
Yeah,
that?
bro.
Please turn around the camera and ask the Rahul. How many
was
biscuits?
3 biscuits.
Yeah.
Yeah,
How
I
can you
also.
say, bro? You
You are-
see the only one biscuit I ate.
And
You are
one
telling
I
a lie,
gave you, one
No,
not.
One I ate.
And Dubai the 2 biscuits.
He is telling
Yeah.
about
Yeah.
his friends, yaar. How can you?
Yeah, you saw the me. How can you think I ate?
Except that I'm also accept I eat 2 biscuits.
No,
Yeah,
no
I
problem.
only one biscuit ate.
Accept the reality, yeah.
No, bro.
Yeah.
Only 3 biscuits.
Don't blame him.
Why are you telling me lie?
So we have completed.
I think we have done, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, guys, we have done tea party. He is the owner of this party, Mr. Gali, right?